So first of all, guys, a video is showing on your screen right now. Please watch the video and listen to the voiceover carefully.
It was a cold and silent night in the city. The kind of night where even the streetlights looked nervous. In a dark alley, under a flickering lamp, a young courier stood alone, gripping a black briefcase tightly in his hands. His heart was racing. Tonight was not an ordinary delivery. Tonight, he was meeting the most dangerous man in the city.
So guys, as you just saw, this is an amazing AI voice. Many YouTubers and character channels use AI voices like this to create new channels and produce videos showing how AI content is made. So guys, today our main focus is AI audio, and I will show you how we can create this type of animated video using an AI tool. So guys, please don't skip this video because today, the tool we are going to use is an all-in-one AI tool. And the best part is that it also gives free credits. So again guys, I'm saying, don't skip the video. Let's start the video. So guys, the tool we are going to use today is called Higsfield AI. Higgsfield AI is a powerful all-in-one AI platform, and I have already made many tutorials about this tool. So guys, simply open the website and log into the platform. After logging in, Higgsfield gives you 50 free credits, which means you can generate videos and audio for free. Now if you look on the screen, Higgsfield has recently launched several new tools. For example, Soul Cinema Higgsfield Audio, Nano Banana, 2 and many more, and several other AI tools are also available on the platform. And here is another amazing thing. Higgsfield also provides an earning option. Yes, you can actually earn money using this platform. If you go to the creator dashboard, you will find many campaigns provided by Higgsfield. You can simply select a campaign and start creating content for it. And from there, you can potentially generate thousands of dollars. Now, the audio section, which we are going to use today, includes tools like 11v3 MiniMax VibeVoice. You also get features like Voice Changer Translator, VoiceOver, Text-to-Speech. So, guys, without wasting time, let's start the process. First of all, you need to select Higsfield Audio because that is our main focus today. First, we are going to generate a voiceover using Higsfield Audio. I will show you step-by-step how you can generate voiceovers easily. So simply open the audio tool. After opening it, you need a script. You can generate your script using ChatGPT, or you can use any script that you want. Example, I already prepared a script in ChatGPT about Higsfield Audio, so I simply copy the script. But before pasting the script, you need to select a model. Here you can see multiple models such as 11 Labs, V3 MiniMax Speech, 2.8, HD VibeVoice. But today, I will use 11 Labs V3. After that, you need to select a voice. You can also generate custom voices here. You will see many options like female voices, male voices, Roman voices, and many other voice styles. So this platform provides many different voice options, not just one. You can select any voice that you like. And yes, guys, these voices are very realistic, not simple robotic voices. Now, after selecting the voice, go back to ChatGPT, copy the script, and paste it here. After pasting the script, simply click on Generate. One amazing thing about this tool is that it only takes around 3 credits to generate a voiceover, and the credits depend on your text length. If your text is very long, like more than 5,000 words, then it may take around 15 to 16 credits. Now the processing has started, and in a few seconds our voiceover will be ready. So let's wait for the result. And here we go, guys. This is the result. Please listen to the preview.
Today I'm going to show you an incredibly powerful AI tool called Higsfield Audio that can completely transform the way you create content. This tool is not just a simple text-to-speech generator. It's actually a complete AI audio studio that allows you to generate voiceovers, change voices, and even translate videos into different languages automatically.
So guys, as you can hear, the voiceover sounds very realistic and professional, exactly the type of voice many creators use in their videos. And honestly, it sounds very clean, simple, and amazing. So guys, our voiceover is now ready. The next option we have is Change Voice. For this feature, normally you need a video, but today I will also show you how we can generate an image and then create a video from it. So first, let's generate an image. To do that, go back to the Explore section. After opening Explore, go to the Image section. Once you are there, select Nano Banana 2, which has just been recently released. Simply write a prompt to generate an image. Actually, I have already generated some images before, but let me explain something important. I already prepared image prompts and video prompts in ChatGPT, so what I do is simply copy one of the prompts. After copying the prompt, I come back to Explore, paste the prompt here, and then click Generate. After a few seconds, the AI will generate images similar to the ones you are seeing on your screen. And the best thing about Nano Banana is that it generates very professional quality images. Once your images are generated, simply download them. After downloading the image, go back again to the Explore main page. Now go to the video section. Inside the video section, upload the image that you just downloaded. Next, you need to add a video prompt. You can also generate this prompt using ChatGPT. After adding the prompt, select any video generation model, for example, Kling 2.6, Kling 3.0, or Google VO. 3, you can select any of these models. After selecting the model, simply click Generate. Now, as you can see, our video generation process has started, and here you can see that I have already generated some videos earlier. The next step is very simple. Take the voiceover that you generated earlier and add it into CapCut. After adding the voiceover and the video clips, simply export the final video. Once your video is exported, go back again to Explore. Now, if you want to change the voice, for example, from male to female, you can do that very easily. Simply go to Voice Presets. Here you will see multiple voice options. For example, I will select the first female voice. After selecting the voice, simply click Generate. Now the system will start converting the voice. Within a few seconds, the voiceover will be ready. And here you can see the final result. Please listen to the preview.
It was a cold and silent night in the city. The kind of night where even the streetlights looked nervous. In a dark alley, under a flickering lamp, a young courier stood alone.
As you can hear, Higgsfield Audio has successfully converted the male voice into a female voice. Now let me show you another powerful feature. We can also translate the voice into different languages. For that, simply click on the translator option. My video is already uploaded. Now go to the language section. Here you will find many languages such as Chinese, French, Hindi, German, Russian, Turkish, Korean, and many more. Today I will translate the voice into German, so I simply select German and then click Generate. The system will take a few seconds to translate the voice from English to German. And if you already have a voice in another language, like Hindi, you can also convert it into English or any other language. Now the translation process has started, and here we have the final result. Please listen to the
Es war eine kalte und stille Nacht in der Stadt. Die Art von Nacht, in der selbst die Straßenlaternen nervös wirkten. In einer dunklen Gasse unter einer flackernden Lampe.
Preview. So guys, as you can see, Higgsfield Audio first generated the voiceover, then changed the voice, and finally translated it into another language. That's why this is truly one of the best AI tools available right now. Currently, it includes voices from 11 Labs, MiniMax, and many other AI voice models. Now guys, time is very limited. Higsfield AI is an all-in-one AI platform, and right now they are also offering 20% discount on Nano Banana 2 Ultimate, Soul 2.0, and Kling 3.0. So guys, don't waste time. Simply go to Higsfield AI, choose a plan, generate your videos, upload them on YouTube, and start growing your channel. Thank you.